All right, it's a new year, so it's just starting off recording some videos, just for learning purposes and self-development and self-training on the market. So we have our own schedule for the evening, market review, situation awareness, breakouts for today, leaders for today, any breakdowns that's hard, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months momentum stocks, and just go over some watch list for tomorrow.
Hey man, what's up?
Hey, what's up, man?
Good man. How was the movie?
It's not bad. Avatar's not bad at all.
Nice.
It didn't seem long. It was like 3 hours long, but it wasn't that long. So it was worth the wait. It was like 15 years wait. It's not bad.
Good man. Glad you enjoyed. Good stuff.
Yeah, just looking at the market. So China stocks held the on the gap. Otherwise, all other stocks seems to be pulling back from the this morning's gap, and then yeah, it pulled down hard. Some of them are 2%, 4%. Biggest pullback was Tesla, right?
Definitely.
Yeah, I got 36 that popped, and then 674 that made the move down. So that's uh, a sign that nothing's pushing the market up. It's only going downwards from there. I was just going through the list to see what's a good breakout for today. So I got GDS, uh, BILI, China stock, uh, Data. You know what Data Lucas? I guess there's a breakout there.
There's a breakout.
What is there? Not much for today for the breakouts. All the other ones, YMM, that there's a breakout there, but the smaller, low cap stock.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let's see.
Just going through my list.
Yeah, I'm just going through some of mine as well too. But it doesn't look like it's
There are a lot of
it's
small,
uh,
low price stocks moved. Nothing else that made the move here. They're like $1 stocks, $2 stocks. It's expected. The only thing, it's gonna be like a similar. I believe it's gonna be a similar year compared to last year, uh, unless something big happens and um, I guess inflation stops and then interest rate stops, and then the Fed kind of come in and support us in the market, or else it's gonna go sideways.
yeah, it could. Um I don't know.
But
It's kind of hard to tell right now because the market does whatever it wants to do. Hopefully we can, obviously interest rates is not gonna go away. But if
oh
they
man, I
lower
hope
it,
so. I hope so. It's gonna be crazy. My mortgage renews in 2 years, so hopefully that
yeah.
in 2 years' time things will get better.
Oh, for sure. There's a very good possibility because it happened real quick, and now market will probably turn around too. So 2024, I'm not too worried about. I think the interest rate will be much, much better than what it is right now. Um, and that translates to stock as well too.
Yeah, it's crazy. You can't predict these things. It's pretty hard, but it seems like it's going towards another year of slowdown, right? So we'll see.
Yeah, I
Okay,
don't
so
know.
breakouts, I got like three that came in my scan. Otherwise, the solar stocks went down, semiconductors went down. No more pizza. Domino Pizza kind of went down. Tesla went down again. Tesla was a big one, 13%. That's huge, man.
That's very big. That's very big.
Yeah, look
That's,
at the
that's
bar.
really big.
Damn,
Huge bar today, right?
it's a huge bar.
That's a huge bar.
That goes with like other. I think tech stocks went down big. I got snowflakes that went
Snowflake.
down
Yep.
5%. Yeah, semiconductors, MDB. I entered this morning at what's it, 201. Then I set my stop there. So that stop loss kind of helped me, or else I would have lost another 3% move downwards. This one here, right?
Yeah.
It broke and then it went down right away.
Wow.
So I got out of that. Gonna log that into my play
Yeah, journal it down. That's
history. Breakout. Breakout. Yeah, 600. There's so many that went down that I'm not gonna go through it all. Seems like everything went down.
yep. Totally agree with you on that.
Your boy scam, man. Look at all these stock that went down. That's crazy. Okay, let's skip it. Just gonna check to see if there's any setups for tomorrow. Copy. Copy. Okay, so not a lot here. So Baba gapped up. It was weaker than the other ones here. So Doku's pretty. How did Doku move here? So it gapped up, went down. Okay. Doku. Yeah, no one here. Shop. What about shop?
Shop.
Still going
I got
sideways.
strong. I got strong resistance at 36 right now. I don't anticipating it past 36 for tomorrow. So
I think it went. Let's check. So it popped this morning, pulled back, hit resistant level around. Is it 36?
I put strong resistance at 36. That's what I'm gonna write in the report for tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's gonna from it what it's gonna do, I think, is off the bat, it's gonna jump off to 36 and then it hits strong resistance there and give it and then it's gonna reject from there.
Nice. Just watch that for tomorrow.
Yeah,
Put
it's
it,
gonna reject. If you are gonna go
put it here.
short, then you can go for that. But that's what I'm seeing from that right now.
Yeah, there's a strong rejection. There you go. Key level $36. I'm seeing this exact same thing you're saying. So
Oh, perfect, nice. Good stuff.
yeah, there's a strong resistant level, 36, 37.
Yeah, around that range.
I thought there was be a nice short, this Manchester, but it seems to be it's holding the huge bounce. That was like 50% move.
Crazy,
Manchester.
Manchester.
X I got out of this when it was topped here. So what the hell is this? Biotech. See biotech companies, man, when they move, it's like 400%.
Crazy. Oh my goodness.
Kala,
Those are hard to pinpoint, man. Seriously.
it's
Like, what are
random.
they?
It's really, you gotta like it's either you have that stock already and or you don't. It's hard to jump in. Let's look at the 5 minute chart. Maybe there's an opportunity somewhere there. No. What hourly? Okay, yeah. In the hourly, there's an opportunity if you want. If there's a setup of SCSF for myself, in the hourly at 1595. 1595. So okay. Yeah, it's hard to no, it's really hard.
It's got a lot of gaps, right?
It's kind of like well, it gapped up every day,
Oh man.
and then it kind of build the range a little bit, and it bounced
Yeah.
from 15 to like 32. But if it's high risk in either way if you don't know how to play it. But I never touch Biotech. But with the way they move, look how they move, man. It's like 400%. Okay, so Lee was, remember I said Lee was in the buy 3 days ago, 2 days ago.
Yep.
So it gapped up and it held. So if you entered like 2 days ago, you're still good for Lee. I should change my rules a little bit. Play a little on, put some money, but not a lot of money in China stocks. See how it goes. Because it's moving now, right? Like you have Lee that moved, pulled back a bit, but it's still a move. Still can make money. Apple, oh,
Yeah,
after
Apple dropped.
3.79, it dropped, right?
Yeah, yeah, Apple
Did it
dropped.
bottom, man?
Yeah. Did it bottom?
Oh,
52 feet low, probably. Let me see that again. Wow. Damn. Yeah, it dropped. It plunged.
it plunged,
Yeah,
man. That's great.
it plunged. It plunged, bro. It plunged.
Yeah, for Apple, I don't no clue how to play this Apple thing here. Not an expert at Apple. Looks pretty bad though. Looks like
Um,
it's ripped up to pieces.
It does. Like I played Apple a couple times. It's just that some days it moves like a good amount,
Yeah.
$3 or $4, but some days it moves like in freaking 50 cents,
Yeah.
5. And I hate that.
The days that it's moved 50 cents is probably the day you're in. Some
That's
days you move
exactly.
like
It-
$5, you're not even in there. It's like shit, I missed that shit.
yeah. Some like you gotta.
Look at the bar, look at this bar here. That's a huge move.
That's a huge move.
Then some days you have like this shitty, I can't even see it if I had to zoom it in, like use a
Yeah, you have
telescope
those
to
like freaking.
yeah.
Yeah, I hear you. Those midget bars, man.
Setup wise, I don't see anything in Apple.
In
So
Apple, I'm hoping for a push up to like 129. I'm hoping for a push up to 129 from 125 level. But it's still got volumes down there, so
yeah, it's a lot of volume. Oh, I see. All right.
I don't know. We'll see what happens.
Okay, I'm gonna put Doku in here too.
Tesla, you good point. You Tesla up.
Doku. Doku in my Doku. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go through potential setups maybe. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this. Remove. Oh, I care about it. Oh, what happened to Pinterest? That's a big bar.
Pinterest.
Pinterest is like the photo program.
Oh yeah, okay. Um, no, not familiar with that. I've heard of it, but not familiar.
Okta was nice and then pulled back, bounced back up again. See what happens.
Mm,
Actually, it went down, pulled back. That's a strong move. This guy's in my list then. All
yeah,
right.
that could have.
Yeah, this guy's pretty good. In the
That's the
monthly, in the
potential.
weekly setup, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Uh, Probably gonna hit like 70 something before it bounced. I'll set up an alert. Okay. Nvidia. I don't know about Nvidia. Looks weak now.
NVIDIA.
The
Where's
semiconductor.
Let me check NVIDIA.
Nvidia seems to be like
143. Is it 143?
yeah, it's on 143 right now.
From what I'm seeing, it's probably going sideways right now.
Yeah, that's what I see too.
Yeah, it got rejected this morning at 149. See, then
Let me see.
I wasn't even looking at NVIDIA this morning, damn it. It did a rejection at 149 all the way down to 141.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Such a big stock, man. 2.5
Yeah, it is a big
2.5 billion float, man.
Yeah, it's a
Move
big
this
stock.
monster. It's still moving too. That's how
It is
crazy.
still moving.
It's so crazy. That's Nvidia.
No, I'm just gonna keep that on my watch list for maybe 1 or 2 more days. I think it's accumulating. Then it could make either a push up or push down major right now. So I'm not gonna be in Nvidia for maybe 1 or 2 days.
Yeah.
But that could potentially go for a breakout. But then, yeah, it could. Right now it's trading sideways for last 3 days already.
3 days, right?
3 days. I think they're accumulating they're accumulating right now, and then they're gonna either burst up or down. Yeah, they're filling all the volumes. So from what I'm seeing, it's a good possibility of a breakout. That's what I'm seeing. But I don't know, give it. But yeah, I wouldn't touch the video for another 1 or 2 more days, as I said. Personally, I wouldn't touch it, but
I agree. I'm not touching it. Doesn't look like a good setup for me.
no, doesn't from here. But it's big, man. Nvidia is pretty big. It's big.
For Nvidia?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's huge.
It's huge. Yeah.
Man, this is a monster. It's crazy how it moves too. It's still moving. That's why with these like 2.5 billion in like shares, that's like a lot.
Mm.
You need a lot of money to move this guy.
Oh yeah, for sure. You got a lot, man. Anyway, down.
Oh yeah, man, that's all I have. There's nothing else today. I don't see anything. Watch list wise, I have nothing. All of my other watch lists broke out from the other day, like Baba, Bailey, Okta that would break, but it kind of held, but it didn't break.
Right.
So I'm waiting for it to go above the 70 mark. Otherwise, I'm gonna remove this. We're watching shop for tomorrow. See what it does here. Baba already did. Okay, can remove all this. Remove flagged. So Okta the only one I see. Otherwise, shop. Shop. You said it's gonna be a short at 36. Well, look at it. That's what I'm seeing.
That's what I'm
Probably gonna try.
anticipating.
It's probably gonna try 36 and then go down again.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing from shop. And then I have a target for BA as well too.
Let's see. Yeah, I didn't show up my radar. Maybe it. Yeah, because it only made the 2.5% move. It's gap up, meet the gap, held on the gap. Let's see how it moves in the hourly. Oh, okay. So it gapped up, pulled back, bounced off on the open. So 192. That's at 195. Okay. Is there a double top anywhere?
Hold on, these ones were smaller. Yeah, I hit a double top on a 15-minute time frame. Top, and then got rejected down to 193, got up to 197 again, and then it just rejected from there.
So it's
I put it as,
196, 197, then it got
yeah,
rejected, right?
yeah, I put 190, 196,
197.
yeah,
190.
197,
Yeah.
and then that was the level that got rejected.
Yeah.
So if if we were to get in at 193, we can make a $4 move on that. But since today I wasn't feeling well, so I didn't see it. Well, I saw it, but I was tired. So
Yeah.
but it did reject from my level. It did reject from my level, and it just pushed it all the way down to 192.
Yeah, I know. I
Yeah.
saw that. I see that. Yeah,
So
see, I saw that. That's
tomorrow.
strong. That's a strong sell this morning. Nobody can stop that one.
Oh, yeah, and it's having like good upgrades from the analysts. So that
Oh yeah.
that gives it catalyst. So that's why it's been going. It's been stable and going up. Good catalyst from the news. And I've been noticing that like every time it's got like good catalyst, it just rips from the open. Uh, what I see.
Yeah, it made a pretty strong move. Like when we saw it, it was like that's a pretty strong move, man. For Ba, that's pretty strong.
That is pretty strong. Mm,
They probably received more orders or some upgrades in their lane or the way they process things or reduce expense or whatever. Or more
yeah,
orders, mostly more orders or something in
mostly more
between.
orders. Yeah,
Or
more orders.
some of the planes that they crashed now it's been dealt with and now they're open up that that avenue again for other markets. So, but
Yeah,
yeah, Ba strong.
it's strong. So if Bob gets past 197, I'm gonna take a long position on it.
197.
Yeah, if it cracks 197,
Could
I'm
be.
gonna
It could.
and then I'm going
Good.
for like up to maybe 200 first one, and then 204 the second one if it cracks. But if it doesn't
It
crack,
tried so many times, eh? It tried so many times to go to 196, 97.
yeah,
Like here's right, like
that's
here
a
you can see
strong
a couple of
resistance.
days. Yeah, a lot of resistance in that.
Yeah,
When it past that, then you for sure, man.
yeah. Once it passed that, dude, get in, make
Yeah,
some dough, get out.
for sure.
So, yeah. So I'm looking at that
Yeah,
as well.
I got nothing except for Okta for tomorrow.
Mm,
But I don't think just based on the market, I would predict that it won't move up, but it'll continue to move down. It's so weak.
What for,
It's too
for
weak.
all of them?
Yeah,
Yeah, I think the same too. I think the same for tomorrow. It's gonna
it's
be
been
something that's
chopping around for a while. Now it's so close to the bottom. Every time it hit the bottom here, it kind of pull and then but there's so much rejection this time. It tried the other time worked, right? It gapped up and it kept moving for 2 or 3 days. This time
what
it kind of gapped but it got pulled back right away. So there could be another pullback. That unless you have any data tomorrow, what's the data tomorrow like tomorrow?
For what? For this one?
No, like is there any reports or any data you're looking at?
No,
Any
I'm just looking at the futures right now. Futures doesn't look strong right now, man. It's like the Nasdaq is up like, let me see, it's up $38, and the futures is
oh,
up like $7. So I'm not. It's still very flubbly. It's like chopping right now. Uh, Usually they would like, but we'll see. We'll see what happens in the morning. What futures is doing in the morning, and then I have a better picture of what's going on. And right now, the other people are in the other world. They're doing some future shit, right? So, but I don't have live data for futures. There would be because Weibo don't have futures. They don't support futures for now. Damn it,
oh yeah, they don't.
they don't support that. So, and that is, it, yeah, futures. You can tell pretty much what it's gonna do. Like a very
Oh,
good chance of what how your stock is gonna react to it.
with the features,
Yeah, with the futures, bro.
like for
Yeah,
pre-market, like a prediction
yeah,
for pre-market or what?
yeah, yeah, yeah. You get a
That's
prediction.
good.
Yeah, futures.
So,
Some people like people like all the world people trade futures, right?
yeah.
So it's like a pretty much a 23-hour trading day. They only have 1 day, 1 hour to rest, break, and then it goes on.
Oh
And then now
shit.
we're talking it's futures still trading, not as the stock market where it closes from 9:30 to 4. And then they have pre-hour, but pre-hour stops at 8 o'clock and it resumes at like what 6, something like that, I think, or maybe 4. So, but
Oh,
yeah, I have the Nasdaq on, so I'm just basing on the Nasdaq right now. Um, I'm just basing on the Nasdaq and draw my what's it called, my key levels from there.
yeah. I mean, Nasdaq is the number one index if you want to make money consistently, right?
Yeah,
Other sectors could be they're either too old or too young. But Nasdaq, there's always opportunity, especially with tech, because everything we do is technology these days. So it's only going to go up. It's just the market not supporting it right now. But if you
yeah,
only trade stocks in the Nasdaq, there's more. I believe there's more high opportunities than other other indexes that we see, like the Dow's. So technology is always going to beat other sectors. That's what I believe.
yeah. I explained it to you as before, right? You how I trade and stuff. I just go for the tech because I have the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 to Gaza, right? Um, it gives you a direction.
Yeah,
It gives you
for sure. Yeah, that's like the number one index. Whatever stocks within the Nasdaq,
yeah,
pick up at least 100 top top ranking stocks in the Nasdaq and just follow their setups.
yeah.
You will do well.
Well, but we'll see what happens tomorrow, right? Because I don't have live data for it. Same with let me see.
So that's how I came up with my newsletter. So I finished for the day. Only one I have that looks strong for me in general. Woke up, but then I couldn't trade when there's a possibility of it going down. So I predict it's gonna go down, so I'm not gonna trade. So it's all posted there. It's all good. Finished my homework for today.
Nice.
Nothing left. All right, bro. Got nothing for tonight. It's gonna be an easy night. Just get a look at the stocks. Make sure you have your plans for tomorrow. No itchy fingers, you know. Yeah. You don't have to
Yeah, no,
plan, no plans to enter, then there's no plans to enter. You're sitting there looking at
yeah,
the screen, you have itchy fingers and your, itchy toes and trying to You gotta press buy button for sure.
Yeah, no, I hear you. It's one of those things, but it's gotten more discipline on that. Like I kind of quit the random trades now. I just I just have that little thing, that little rule on my pad, and just look at that and just go with that. Um, and in a couple of days, I have been trading, so I mean that set the record. Usually, I trade like maybe one trade a day on average,
Yeah,
and then I stopped doing that. I stopped doing that, so I just and it's getting better. And when I stopped doing that, I just look for the setup. If it works, cool. If it doesn't, man, then let's get out.
that's right.
Is yeah,
Emotion. the-
yeah,
Emotion is a big one that
yeah,
people can't control. So we're
yeah,
getting there, bro. We're getting there.
yeah.
Take the
But the good
emotion
thing is like,
away. Take emotion away. Focus on our own setups. Uh, the more we do it, the more convictions we have, and
yeah,
hopefully improve from there. So
yeah, and journal and
journal
journal.
for sure. I
Yeah,
gotta put a journal for sure.
yeah.
All right, man.
All
I'm
right,
good. I'm
sounds
good.
good. Good
Take it
chat.
easy. Take it easy.
I'll see you in the morning.
Yeah. I got this recorded, so I'm gonna send it,
Oh, good
put it
stuff.
somewhere.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think it's easier to record because then if you want to look back or even just talking about it, just reflections on what we
yeah,
did, that'd be
definitely.
nice. So I'm gonna
Yep,
continue
some
to do
good
this every night for myself, and if you're not available, that's fine. But we can always look back into it. Our discussion is what we need to do and stuff. So cool.
No, it's awesome. That's good. Good stuff. All
Keeping it
right.
real. Keeping it real. All right. Take it easy.
All right, man. I'll see you in the morning.
Yeah, bye.